Today I'm testing out this SewLaVie mechanical sewing machine. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, test several of the 36 built-in stitches, and see how it handles a simple pattern versus multiple layers of denim. Inside the box, you'll receive the full-size sewing machine, removable extension table, foot controller, power cord, presser feet, bobbins, needles, maintenance tools, and other basic accessories. There's also a built-in storage compartment that keeps the smaller pieces organized and easy to reach. Setup is fairly straightforward. I connected the foot pedal and power cord, wound and installed the bobbin, and then followed the threading path marked on the machine. And the built-in LED light provides bright focus lighting right around the needle area. This makes it so much easier to thread the needle and clearly see the seam guide and sewing path. Behind the front cover is the metal vertical oscillating hook system. This industrial style design feels sturdy and is intended to provide stable performance and consistent thread control, including when working with heavier fabrics. This machine includes 36 built-in utility, stretch, and decorative stitches. The patterns are displayed directly on the machine, so that makes it super easy to pick out which one you want. And you select your stitch using this dial. And then you also get 2 other dials to fully customize how you want to sew. I tested a straight stitch, zigzag stitch, and 3 other fun decorative stitches. This gives you plenty of options for everyday repairs, garment projects, crafts, and decorative sewing. At the beginning of my seam, I hold the reverse button to sew backwards before continuing forward again. That'll lock in that stitch. And then at the end, I'll just repeat that to lock in the other side. This makes those stitches less likely to unravel. The extension table creates a wider, more supportive workspace for larger pieces of fabric. Here I'm using it to sew a quick little fabric pouch. But also the table and storage section slide off to expose the free arm. A sleeve, pant leg, or cuff fits around the narrow area, making cylindrical pieces much easier to sew. Now for the heavier fabric test. So I have right here 6 layers of thick denim. We're gonna be seeing if this sewing machine can fit over that much thickness. All right, 6 layers of denim, here we go. And there you have it. It went through 6 layers of denim. This is incredible. I don't think I've ever had a sewing machine that could do that before. The motor, metal frame, and 6-point feed dog work together to move the thick material under the presser foot. In my test, it stayed stable and sewed through these layers without the fabric getting stuck. Overall, this machine offers a wide variety of stitches, that nice wide extension table, free arm sewing, reverse stitching, and the ability to work with everyday fabrics as well as the harder to use heavier fabrics. I also like that it has the built-in storage and a handle for easier carrying. Based on my testing, I think this is a great sewing machine. It would work really well for home sewing, clothing repair, DIY projects. I can't wait to use this more and develop some more of my sewing skills. But yeah, that's all I had for this really quick review, and I'll catch you on the next video.